Hi guys, it's Catherine from Just Fabrics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fabric headband like this one here. Everything you need for this make can be found in the link in the description below. Cut out a 45 by 12 centimetre piece of fabric. This is for your main piece of the headband. Now cut out a piece of fabric which measures 23 centimetres by 5 centimetres. This is for the piece of fabric which will go over your elastic. Now cut a 15 centimetre piece of elastic. We have chosen a 1 centimetre width. Now fold in half your fabric lengthways and right sides facing together and press with the iron. Now repeat this process with your small bit of fabric for the elastic. Now pin along the raw edges and sew on the sewing machine. Now turn your two pieces of fabric right side out. Now press your headband pieces, making sure to line up your stitched edges. Attach a safety pin to one end of your elastic and thread through your shorter piece of fabric. Make sure to hold your one piece of elastic secure at the one end. Now pin your fabric to your elastic at each end. Now stitch these two ends on the sewing machine. Fold over ½ centimetre on your ends of your main piece of fabric and press with an iron. Now put your elastic piece into the bigger piece of fabric. Match up the edges and fold over the excess fabric and pin in place. Repeat this step on the other side. Now sew along the pinned edges through all the fabric on both sides. Now you've got your finished headband. I hope you enjoyed that make. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe below. For lots more inspiration and how-to guides, check out our website and our social media.